right students? In 10th problem, exercise 1.1, we have 5 subdivisions. Last class we completed first subdivision. Now we will go through the second and third subdivisions. What are those? Give an example of relation which is transitive but not neither reflexive nor symmetric. That is the second subdivision. So the given relation should not be a reflexive, should not be a symmetric, but it should be a transitive. Like that we have to give with a example. We will see here. Let A equal to set of 1, 2. This is the set. Here given transitive, but neither reflexive nor symmetric. Reflexive means you know very well, each element of A should be related to itself. So you should not take each element, you can take any one element. And also it is not a symmetric. Not a symmetric means if you take AB belongs to R, should not be BA. Like that you have to assume one example. R equal to set of 1, 1, 1, 2. See here, set containing 1 and 2, relation should be only 1, 1 ordered pair. There is no 2, 2 ordered pair, hence it is not a reflexive. Why? Because reflexive means each element of A is related to itself. Each element of A means 1 is having 1, 1, whereas 2 is belongs to in that set, but 2, 2 not here, so it is not reflexive. Now, when we go through symmetric, if AB belongs to R, there must be BA also. Suppose 1, 1, that is AB as well as BA, whereas 1, 2 is AB, but 2A is B, A. It is not 2A, is not belongs to in that relation, so it is not a symmetric relation. Now we have to check the transitive. Transitive means AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, then AC must be ordered pair AB and ordered pair BC, both are exist, then ordered pair AC is possible. AB is 1, 1, BC is 1, 2, then AC is 1, 2. 1, 2 is also exist here. That's why it is an example for transitive relation. So we can say that it is neither reflexive nor symmetric, but it is a transitive. Right students? Reflexive. R is not reflexive. If it is not a reflexive, you have to give it an example as A, is not belongs to R for all small a belongs to capital A. That means you can give with an example which pair is not belongs to in that. So 2 belongs to that particular set A, that implies 2, 2 is not belongs to R. Hence R is reflexive. Reflexive relation on set A. Now we have to check the symmetric. Symmetric, according to the definition symmetric, if AB belongs to R, ordered pair AB belongs to R, there must be A also. Ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to R, but 2, 1 is not there, it is not a symmetric. So we have to write R is not symmetric relation. If it is not symmetric relation, we have to give it an example as AB belongs to ordered pair AB belongs to R, but BA does not belongs to R. So I can give it an example. 1, 2 belongs to R, but 2, 1 is not belongs to R. Hence R is not a symmetric relation. Hence R is not symmetric relation. Now we will check the transitive relation. You just recall the definition of transitive. Ordered pair AB and ordered pair BC is belongs to R. There must be ordered pair AC also. So AB and BC, there must be AC also same. 1 1 and 1 2, there must be 1 2 also. So I can write R is transitive. You have to write it is a transitive. Need not to give an example, you write directly definition. As AB belongs to R, ordered pair BC belongs to R, that implies ordered pair AC belongs to R for all ABC belongs to set A. Hence R is transitive. If R is, by observing all these, R is not reflexive, R is not symmetric, but R is transitive. So we can say that R is neither reflexive nor symmetric, but it is a transitive relation. We can give the other example, day-to-day life example also. Suppose if you take as a brother relation, already I told brother relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric, but it is always a transitive relation. Why? Because brother relation cannot be reflexive. Why? A, that means A cannot be brother of itself. A person cannot be brother of itself, so it is not a reflexive. If A is a brother of B, B may or may not. Why? Because A is a brother of B means A is fixed male, but B can be a male or female gender. Why? Because B is male also, A is a brother, B is female also, A is a brother. But if you go vice versa, B is not belongs, B is need not to be A. B is need not to be a brother of A, may or may not chance. That's why it is not a symmetric relation. But A is a brother of B, B is a brother of C. Obviously A is also brother of C. Why? Because if A is a brother of B, A is fixed, it is a male gender. Next, B is a brother of C means B is also fixed, it is a male gender. But C may or may not. Even though A is brother of C, that is a transitive. So brother relation, sister relation, less than relation, these are all always neither reflexive nor symmetric, but it is always transitive. Like that also we can give the examples instead of this place. Right, students? So in 10th problem we have the third subdivision. Give an example of a relation which is defined as reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Now in this case reflexive satisfied, symmetric satisfied but not transitive. Like that we have to give the one example. Let I will give an example. Let set A is equal to set of 1 2 3. R is the relation defined by set of 1 1 ordered pair 2 2, ordered pair 3 3, ordered pair 1 2, ordered pair 2 1, ordered pair 2 3 and ordered pair 3 2. So this is the given relation. They told it is a reflexive. Reflexive means compulsory you have to check that each and every element of A should participate in the relation with its same image. Like 1 1 1, 2 2 2, 3 3 3. So by seeing these three ordered pairs, clearly R is a reflexive. Sir, here more ordered pairs are there, immaterial, no problem in that. We need only each element of A is related to itself, then it is called reflexive. Otherwise A comma A belongs to R, for every small a belongs to capital A. Each and every element of A is participated in the relation, so R is a reflexive. Next, we have to check whether it is a symmetric or not. So I told reflexive relation is always symmetric. Why? Because 1 1. AB is 1 1. A and B are equal. B also the same. 2 2 same. 3 3 same. If AB is equal to 1 2, BA 2 1. AB is equal to 2 3. BA is equal to 3 2. According to the definition, if an ordered pair AB is belongs to in that relation, obviously there exists BA also, then only it is a symmetric. So the given relation AB as well as BA both are present, that's why it is also an example for symmetric. Now they told it is not a transitive. We have to check that. Transitive means you know the definition, AB and BA ordered pairs both are present in that relation, AB and BC, sorry. So the ordered pair AB and ordered pair BC both are present in that particular relation. The ordered pair AC also exists, then only it is called transitive. If one ordered pair such kind does not exist, we don't call it is a transitive. For example, 1 1 AB, 1 2 BC, AC is 1 2. So transitive exists for this pair. Next you check it, 2 2, 2 1, 2 2 is AB, 2 1 is BC, again it is 2 1 AC, so it is also exist, transitive exists for 2 2 pair. Now check it 3 3, 3 3 AB, 3 2 BC, again 3 2, it is also transitive, so it exists transitive. Now we will check it 1 2 AB, 2 1 BC. What is AC? 1 1 exists, so it is also transitive. Now we can see that 1 2 2 3, but 1 3 is not exist here. Correct, students? 1 2 is AB, BC is 2 3. What about AC? 1 3, but 1 3 ordered pair not here. Is it correct or not? That's why it is not a transitive. You can check other. 2 3, 3 2, again 2 2, 2 2 will be exist, it is a transitive. If all ordered pairs will satisfy, but one ordered pair is not satisfied a transitive, even though that relation is files. Clear? That's why the R is a reflexive and symmetric, but not a transitive. I will give the proof. Reflexive. R is reflexive relation as x comma x belongs to R, or otherwise you can take AB also, no problem, A also, no problem in that, for all x belongs to A. So 1 1 2 2 3 3, it is already exist. That's why I need not to give an example, just you write the formula, a definition, it's enough for that. Hence R is reflexive relation on set A. Now we have to check the symmetric. It is also, we checked it, AB ordered pair present and also BA also should be there. That's why it is a symmetric relation. R is symmetric. R is a symmetric relation. So if it is satisfied, need not to give an example, write the definition as xy belongs to R, that implies yz belongs to R for all xy belongs to set A, hence R is a symmetric relation. Now we have to check the transitive. R is not transitive because we checked already. If it is not a transitive relation, you have to explain with an example. According to the definition, as xy belongs to R, ordered pair xy belongs to R and ordered pair yz belongs to R, there does not exist xz belongs to R. Otherwise, but xz does not belongs to R. That also we can write it. Now we have to give it an example as 1 2 belongs to R and 2 3 belongs to R. So you can check it here. Ordered pair 1 2 is nothing but AB and ordered pair 2 3 is nothing but BC. Whereas what is AC here? But 1 comma 3 does not belongs to R. 1 comma 3 ordered pair will not be found in this relation. Hence R is not transitive. Hence R is not transitive. By observing all these, R is not a reflexive, not a symmetric xy and yx. By observing all these, R is not reflexive, not symmetric, R is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. You have to write that. R is neither reflexive nor symmetric. R is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Reflexive and symmetric but it is not transitive relation. Students, now the 10th problem, we have two more subdivision, 4th and 5th. This is important problem. So what is 4th subdivision? Give an example of a relation which is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Reflexive agbeku, transitive agbeku but not a symmetric. Like that you have to give with an example. I am giving an example, 4th one. Let A is equal to set of 1 2. R is a relation set of, you remember it is a reflexive and a transitive. So I can write 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, the set containing 1 and 2 elements. So if set containing 1 and 2 elements, reflexive means A comma A belongs to R. So 1 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. So obviously it is a reflexive. Next, it has a transitive 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2 and 1 comma 2. You check it here. But they told it is not symmetric. 1 1, AB belongs to R, BA also. 1 1, 1 1, no problem. 2 2, again 2 2. But 1 2, there does not 2 1, so it is not a symmetric. So it is an example for symmetric. Now we have to check the transitive. Is it transitive or not? See that 1 1 AB, BC 1 2, again 1 2 AC, no problem. 1 2 AB, 2 2 BC, again 1 2. So it is possible for all ordered pairs satisfying the transitive relation. So the given relation is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. Just I will explain here detailed. Reflexive. R is reflexive relation if it is a relation satisfied, you have to give it a definition as A comma A belongs to R for all small a belongs to capital A. So A, small a belongs to capital A, 1 1 will be present, 2 2 will be present. Hence R is a reflexive relation on set A. Now we have to check the symmetric. R is a symmetric or not, we have to check. Symmetric definition is if AB belongs to R, ordered pair AB belongs to R, there BA also, ordered pair BA also. But AB, BA will be the same because 1 1 2 to AB BA is the same. These two ordered pair AB and BA present, whereas 1 to AB present, 2A means 2 1, BA is 2 1, 2 1 is not present, so it is not a symmetric. So two ordered pair will satisfied. If one ordered pair will not satisfy also, it is not a symmetric. Clear, students? Right, R is not symmetric. Why it is not symmetric? You have to give the reason. Because it is not satisfied, give with an example. As AB belongs to R, but BA does not belongs to R. With an example, 1 2 belongs to R, but 2 1 is not belongs to R, hence it is not a symmetric relation. Now we have to check the transitive. R is a transitive relation because already we checked AB, ordered pair AB and ordered pair BC is present. Obviously ordered pair AC is also possible. See that 1 1 and 1 2, AB, BC, AC is nothing but 1 2, it is also present here. Next, AB 1 2, BA 2 2, 1 2, B not BA, BC 1 2 2 2, again 1 2, it is also present, it is satisfied. But a 2 2 will be there. 2 2 is there. I told if reflexive is transitive is satisfied, AB and BA possible, then only AC. Only AB possible, BA is not possible, BC is not possible, need not to explain about AC. Is it clear? That's why only one ordered pair will be present, AB. There is no BC. So there is need not to discuss about AC. Obviously it is already transitive relation only. So R is a transitive. Excuse me. R is transitive relation. Satisfied, just give an example, just give the definition. As AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, that implies AC belongs to R. Hence, R is a transitive relation. So, by observing three cases, R is not reflexive, R is reflexive, R is not symmetric, and R is a transitive. So, we can write R is a reflexive and transitive, but it is not symmetric. So, fourth one completed. Now, we will go through fifth one. What is fifth subdivision? Symmetric and transitive. Symmetric possible, transitive possible, but not reflexive. For that, we are giving to example. Right, see here. Fifth subdivision. Let A is equal to set of 1 to R is the relation. While writing this relation, you have to keep in mind. Symmetric possible, transitive possible, but not reflexive. I can take ordered pair 1 2, there exists 2 1. Why? Because symmetric is possible, and transitive AB, BC and AC also possible. But the set containing 1 and 2 elements where one has 1 1 image, 2 does not have like 2 2, so it is not reflexive clearly. Clear or not? So, each element of A must related to itself, then only it is a reflexive. Each element of A, 1 is related to 1 1, but 2 is not related to 2 2, it is not reflexive. By seeing symmetric, AB present, BA also, it is AB and BA will be the same, so symmetric is satisfied, whereas a transitive, AB and BC possible, there is AC, so it is a best example for a relation which is symmetric and transitive but not reflexive. Right. reflexive. R is not reflexive relation. Why? Because it is not a reflexive relation, means you have to give it an example. As A comma A does not belongs to R for all small a belongs to capital A. We are giving an example, 2 belongs to set A, but 2 comma 2 is not belongs to that particular relation. That's why it is not a reflexive relation. Hence, R is not reflexive on set A. Next we will go through symmetric. R is whether symmetric or not. You have to check. Symmetric definition. Ordered pair AB belongs to R, there must be also. See, ordered pair 1 2, there must 2 1 also. Ordered pair 1 1, 1 1 is AB, both are same. B also the 1 1 only. So it is a symmetric. So R is a symmetric relation. So it is a symmetric relation. You have to give the definition. As AB belongs to R, that implies BA belongs to R. For all AB belongs to set A. Hence, R is a symmetric relation. Now we have to check as a transitive. Transitive definition, recall it. If AB and BC belongs to R, there exists AC. AB, BC. Ordered pair 1 2 is AB. Ordered pair 2 1 is BC. Obviously ordered pair AC is 1 1. So it is possible. So it is a transitive relation. Clear, students? Right, R is a transitive . If satisfied transitive, give the definition. As AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, that implies AC belongs to R for all ABC belongs to set A. Hence, R is a transitive relation. By observing all these, it is not reflexive, but it is a symmetric and transitive. So we can write R is a symmetric and transitive, but it is not reflexive. Completed 10th problem, students.